Starting with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and most beneficial. I am Shmaila here with my nursing YouTube channel, Nursing Expertise. In today's video, I will explain you about the nursing curriculum which is designed by the Higher Education Commission in Islamabad, Pakistan. This curriculum is composed by Mr. Zulfikar Ali, HEC, Islamabad. And little bit I want to explain you how the nursing student can join after intermediate and be the professional nurse after BSN 4-year program. In BSN there will be year 1, year 2, year 3 and year 4, and there will be 8 semesters accordingly in 1 year. And in today's video I want to explain you about how many subjects will be there in whole curriculum and what how many number of courses and how many credit hours in each semester. In each semesters there will be compulsory requirement and students have no choice. General courses to be chosen from other departments, discipline specific foundation courses, major courses including research project, internship, and in last elective within the major. So number of courses will be there 40 to 44 and credit hour will be 124 136 in whole BSN 4-year degree program. In each semester there will be 6-7 subjects. In year 1, Fundamental of Nursing 1, Microbiology, Anatomy and Physiology 1, Biochemistry, Computer Skills, English 1, Fundamental of Nursing 2. And here the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 subjects will be in the semester 2. Fundamental of Nursing 2, F1-2 is also called Anatomy and Physiology 2, Applied Nutrition, Community Health Nursing CHN 1, English 2, Islamiyat, Pakistan Studies. And if the students will be passed 1 year, semester 1 and semester 2, then they will be promoted into the year 2, semester 3. And the subjects will be AHN 1, Pathophysiology 1, HA 1, Pharmacology 1, Mathematics, English 3. And in year 2, semester 4, AHN 2, Pathophysiology 2, Pharmacology 2, Health Assessment 2, Developmental Psychology, English 4, Nursing Ethics. And in year 3, semester 5, when the students will pass year 2, they will be promoted into year 3. And the number of subjects and their name is PHN, Pediatric Health Nursing, CHN 2, Teaching and Learning Principal Practices, English 5, Mental Health Nursing, Intro to Biostats, Behavioral Psychology, Epidemiology, Cultural Health Society, English 6, Academic Writing, and they will be passed into year 4. And the number of subjects and name is there: Critical Care Nurse, Introduction to Nursing Theories, Leadership Management Nurses, Nursing Research, English 7, Professional Writing, CHN 3, Nursing Seminar, Senior Elective in Clinical Nursing Practicum, and English 8.